Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Whenever you try to upload a PDF file in WordPress, you can see that the WordPress starts generating thumbnails previews of these PDF files. And sometimes you don't want that. This also consumes a lot of space. So in this video tutorial, you will learn how to disable PDF thumbnail previews in WordPress. As you can see that when I upload this PDF file, WordPress generates the thumbnail preview on its own. So to disable that, we need to delete this first. Now move on to your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto Appearance and then click on Theme Editor. Click on the theme functions file, which is the functions.php file on the right hand side, and here you have to add a small piece of code. Now make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore it later. Copy this code and then paste it at the end. You can also find this code in the description below. Now once you have added the code, click on Update File. This code simply gives WordPress an empty array for the PDF thumbnail sizes and stop WordPress from generating thumbnail previews. Now as we try uploading the same PDF file to the WordPress site using the media uploader, hover onto Media and then click on Add New. Upload the same file here. Now in the library you can see that the WordPress has not generated any thumbnail preview for this PDF file. So this is how you can disable the PDF thumbnail previews in WordPress and save up space. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers. These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.